we are one with universe. Many of us know that we are one with universe, and many of us read that line that we are one with universe. But why many of us, why most of us are not living in this zone that we are one with universe? Because the power of this line we are not feeling, because we are not seeing this line exactly. And we, some of you, because some, not that not anyone is seeing, some of us are not seeing this line exactly, and some of us are not understanding that line. Some people just grab this line from some book or some scientist or some poet that we are one with universe, and therefore this line is not this line is not special for them. So this line is don't affect anything on them. Then when we are saying that we are one with the universe, this line doesn't affect anything on them. So now I am also going to tell that we are one with universe, we are in alignment with universe. I am also saying that, but the difference is that I am going to tell you that how I am saying that we are one with the universe. But before that, understanding that, before understanding that we are one with the universe, how, there are some questions we should ask from ourselves, and answer of them questions also should be come from ourselves, because these are the types of question that answer of this type of question vary from person to person. So the meaning of this question someone can be vary, like it can be too special for me, but it can be useless for you, or it can be special for you, or it can be useless for me. So these are some kind of questions we should ask before understanding universe. And that what are these kind of questions? See, there can be countless questions we should ask, that why I am understanding universe. But I tell some of the question can, because in countless we can pick some one or two question. Okay, so first question we should ask, why I enter in the field of understanding universe. Why I should become scientist? Why? Why? Because if I want, if we want to achieve excellence in any field, like sports, like bats, like cricket, like football, soccer, like badminton, and there are countless sports in the world. So why we can't, why we are not going in the sports, and why we are coming in the field of science? Why we are not becoming musician, and why we are becoming scientist? Why we are not become singer? Why we are not become guitarist? There are countless options that we should ask ourselves, that there are countless questions. Why I am only become scientist, and why I am understanding, why I am entering in the field of understanding universe? And answer of these types of question, you should not ask from anyone. And these type of question, answer of this type of question will not come within ourselves in 1 day, 2 days. It can take some time, some days, some weeks, some month, and sometimes some years. But the answer of these types of question, that why I want to understand the universe, should be come from ourselves, because then we understand everything in the universe. Because we all know that we all have limited life, and in any area of field, like whether it's sports, soccer, we can achieve excellence. But in that field there is nothing certain, because universe is too vast. So if we are entering in this, and if we are entering in the field of understanding universe with that mindset, that we have limited time and we can only understand that limited part of the universe, then my friend, you don't have to come into that part in that field. I don't think. Rest is your choice, but I don't think. So we should ask this type of question, why I am understanding the universe? Why I am understanding the universe? And now I move to the previous part, and all the question will automatically answer as I move forward. Okay, now come to the question, now come to the point, that how we are one with universe. Start from here. Okay, see, we are one with universe naturally. We don't have to do anything. I use the word here become, but this is not the exact word. I don't know the word here because of lack of words I have. But we are already one with universe. The thing is that some of us are not seeing it properly. Some of us are not feeling, and some of us are seeing that we are isolated. The mindset of the people have, till the most of the people also think that, and all the most of the scientists also think that, even are thinking that we are observer, and what we are measuring is observation. If we are always in the zone, that I am observer and what I am measuring is observation, till the difference, then even we are one with universe. Naturally we are not one with universe. I am telling you how we can see, I am telling you how we can understand that we are one with universe. I am going to tell you, take anything around yourself, start from anything and go beyond everything. First take birds. Birds are flying in the sky, and what we are seeing that birds are flying. I wish I also can fly. And what is the life they have. They can also fly over the oceans, they can fly over the mountains, they can fly over if there is flood, they can fly over anything. Okay, and they can go from one tree to another tree without having the fear of falling down. So we are seeing birds and we are appreciating birds, and we are feeling like that we have some lack, and we are also simultaneously feeling that we are isolated from the bird, and like we don't have anything to do with bird. In other words, we are feeling like that we don't have any string between us and birds. That means that we and birds are not connected by anything. That is the mindset we have. Even we don't say this, but subconsciously in ourselves, in our head, we have that the bird is flying and I am on the earth, and there is no connection between us. That is the mindset we have. Similarly, if a dog is walking on the street, similarly mindset we have. Similarly mindset we had that we don't have any relation with that dog. Similarly mindset we have that we don't have any relation with that dog. Similarly mindset we have that we don't have any relation with a cat. And there are countless animals and there are countless birds, and also a species living under the ocean. We also have the similar point of view for also them, that we don't have any relation. But that is the problem, that we are one with the universe. We are not seeing that we are one with the universe. Now take and see how we are connected with them, because everything in the universe is connected. There is a deep unity in universe. Now see birds. Every bird, whether it's bird and peacock and parrot, and there are countless birds. I don't know all the name of the birds because I don't chill with birds. There are birds, they have certain lifespan, like we are human almost have 60 to 70 years nowadays, and they have some also their specific time period. Similarly go with animals. They have their specific time period. You are seeing, and also the species under the ocean, they have some time period of their life. So now what we are seeing, what we are observing, that we are observing from here that from birds, animals, species under the ocean and humans, what is the one thing that connected all of us? That is the lifespan. String of life is connecting all of us, that all of us are living thing. It is possible that some species live much more than another, and one species can less than other, but we can't complain about that, because all the human even don't have common lifespan. Some people even die born dead, and some people dead after in their childhood, some dead in their adulthood, some in middle age, and some even don't die even after 100. So we can't make complaint and stupid argument about that. But what we are seeing, that there is a string of life which are connected all the life in the universe, not only just in earth, in big universe. That is the different thing, that we don't have find life on universe now, but there is a life. We know that, we think that, but this fact is also applicable for everything. Now even sun and moon have their lifespan after they will decay. So everything in the universe, sun, moon, us, animal, plants, birds, cat, dog, rat, everyone is connected by a life stream. That's why I am saying that we are one with the universe. We are one with the universe because we are connected by countless string, And the more we observe universe, the more we understand universe, the more we study universe, the more we found that we all are connected. And there are countless examples. Let's take one more example. Geometry. Like we have certain geometry, our finger is like a cylindrical, our iris is like a cylindrical, our hair is some kind of shape. Even we don't know the shape, but they have some shape, even we don't know what is the shape is called. Birds have certain geometry, animal have certain geometry, cat, dog, horse, donkey, monkey, everyone has certain geometry. Rocks have certain geometry, even we don't know what is the geometry it is called, but it has some geometry. Everything in the universe which is bounded by its boundary, which has a boundary, it has geometry. So you are seeing that we find one more string, that is geometry. So everyone in the universe also connected by geometry. Now what we find? We find two strings that connect everything in the universe. Now before 10 minutes, because I record 10 minutes, before 10 minutes we don't know the how we are one with the universe, because we also think, we also listen this line in a poetic sense. But now I give you two examples how we are one with the universe, and I just starting the universe now. After the one year I will give you 50 minimum 50 examples that how we are one with the universe. So we found that we are connected by geometry, we found that we are spared by life speed. So we found that two strings we are founded that we are connected with the universe with the two strings we have. So the more we understand universe, the more we question universe, the more we see answer of the question, the more we find that we are one with the universe. The more we find that we are one with the universe. And here is the best part about the thing. When someone realize, feel, understand and see that we are one with the universe, that person, his thinking and action start becoming universal. From earthly to universal, his thinking and action start becoming universal from earthly thinking. Like what all the earthly thinking people have, like they work for their own well-being, they make industry which make major pollution in the environment. They don't care about anyone, they only care about their money. These are the only people who are living in earthly thinking, because they never feel, understand that how they are one with universe. They are this kind of people who are not helping people. That kind of people are not spreading joy, light in the universe. And not only normal people, most of the scientists also are living in this zone. Not every scientist believe that they are one with the universe. It is not believe that. Not every scientist is seeing and understanding that. Believing is have no place in science. So the benefit of that when we start thinking that we are one with universe and we are finding example, because we understand everything by example. So the more and more we start in universe, the more and more we start finding example in universe, and the more and more we start finding example in universe, the more and more better we start understanding. So our action and our thinking start become universal. And there is a small section of people who used to argue on physics is much more important than mathematics. Mathematics is much more important than physics. Cosmology is more closest to universe. Astrophysics is more closest to universe. String theory is better. Quantum theory is better. There are countless argument. Classical mechanics better. Quantum mechanics better. There are countless argument. These are the argument only come from those people who think and who live in earthly thinking. Even they talk about universe, but they don't have a deeper connection with universe. They don't feel that we came from stars. We came from stars. We know that after Big Bang, what are the primary things we start? Star and galaxies. After when star formed, they explode. Then what happened? Then a gas cloud happened. Too many gas clouds. Then again star formation will start. Then again they collapsed. Then again start. This process is continuously going, and the comets, meteoroids, asteroids, planets are coming from the stars. And even from the planets which are coming from the star, born from the star, even not all the planets have life. Our Earth is the blessed planet by the universe that which has life. Our Earth is the blessed planet in the universe, man. We are too blessed to live. Life is the most beautiful creation in the universe. We should have to enjoy it, and we should have to realize special and significance in the universe. Everything in the universe is living is the most beautiful, special and significant thing in the universe, man. It's the most. So the people who are living in universal thinking, they, like I am recording this video because someone will find the way, and if some kid is thinking that some scientists know much more than me and how can I become much more greater than us, so he can see that I started from here and I will become, I am the greatest scientist, and after 5 years 6 years I will become the more famous and much more globally icon. So if someone find this video after 5 years, so he is about 10-15 years now, after that when he reach 20, he can find that when I will be famous globally, so he can find that I also start from there. So he can also find it, but it is not a social work I am also doing because I want to express myself totally, completely, absolutely, because I am one with the universe and I have to express that. That simple is that. So the people who are living in the universal zone, that I am recording this lecture, this art, this video, this will exist till the universe exists, and this will be the best video and art I am expressing. Not this only just video, all the video I am expressing and I will express. All these video are the best art and video which are on universe, on every art in the universe, on everything in the universe, they are the best video. So I am expressing it till the universe exists. So why I am creating? Because I am seeing that I am one with universe. I am seeing that I am in alignment with universe. I am seeing that there are many strings which connect me with universe. There are many strings which connect me with universe. So I am seeing that. That is why my thinking start becoming universal and my action start becoming universal. So this is the thing I want to say, that the thing we know now, the information, the knowledge we have now on universe, after a day we have much more than that. After next day we have much more than that. Then next day we have much more than that. Then next day we have much more than that. And by going and doing, after 1 year, how much knowledge we have. But if we have knowledge and we don't express, we become stagnant. We become junk food kind of thing. We become stupid. We become like muddy water. We become useless. If we are only grabbing the knowledge from, even if we are listening to the greatest of scientists, and if we are not expressing ourselves either by any way, either by paper, research paper, either by on video like I am doing, either by or any way, if we are not expressing, then we are not passionate enough. As simple as that. So we should also get to learn from the people which are greatest in the field. But no one is greater than me. I am the greatest in the universe, man. I am the greatest artist and scientist in the universe, man. But come to the point, we have to listen to the people who are well known in the world right now, so we can learn from them. But we should have to express ourselves totally, completely, absolutely, then we are passionate about universe, man. And one more thing I want to say, that day, more than day, the moment we realize, we feel, we see and we understand that we are one with universe, our action, our thinking start becoming universal. From earthly, we stop automatically thinking earthly, we always start thinking universally. Always we start thinking universally when we start finding that there are countless strings which connect us from universe. We all are one with universe, and there is a deep unity in universe. There is a deep, beautiful unity in universe, man. All the life in the universe are connected by the many strings, and we all are one with universe. And the more we study universe, the more we observe universe, the more we find that we are one with universe. Don't believe if anyone say, find your example, and we understand everything as best with example. We are one with universe. Thank you everyone.